Don't stop scrolling, but at least listen to this. पहले बोलते थे ना that you are the average of 5 close friends you talk to, but time change हो गया है. Now I feel like you are the average of 5 content creators you follow. Can you imagine 10 मिनट में you can scroll up to 100 reels? This excess of content consumption और इससे सिर्फ तुम्हारा brain rot हो रहा है because you see them तुम्हें भी उनकी जैसी life चाहिए. You feel like इनको तो सिर्फ खाने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं, इनको तो सिर्फ कपड़े बदलने के पैसे मिल रहे हैं, but you cannot have a life like that. Just because of this brain rotting, you are not able to achieve what you actually want to achieve. Just scrolling through Instagram and YouTube all day long and you don't even realize कि तुम्हारा कितना time waste हो रहा है. But don't misunderstand me. I am not asking you to delete Instagram or YouTube forever. दिन भर कोई नहीं पढ़ सकता. Entertainment is very important for everybody. But brain rotting is not. You know the bestest thing I did when I was in 10th, 12th? I never uninstalled social media, but I just followed the right content creators. अगर तुम आज 10th में हो और if you're a JEE aspirant, just follow the right content creator who gives you guidance or at least or just motivates you hard to achieve your goals. Every time you open your social media, you see their video and seconds where you're motivated. You're stuck in life, but they are guiding you every day. They are giving you tips and tricks how to achieve that goal. So follow those content creators. Again, I'm repeating, don't uninstall social media, but follow the right content creator. Thank you.